Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you this silicone mat by Sapid. It's been excellent for us. I'm going to show you some of the ways we've used it. So I have this thing taking over my RV table, so you can see it's a pretty decent size. And it's been really good quality. This is it completely dry, and I just want to show you how I'm putting a little tug on here, a little tension, and it's really not coming up. Even if I grab from here, it's really not coming up. So you can really see how awesome this is at sticking to whatever surface it is, but it's also as easy just to lift up. I have a variety of items on here, and it's a pretty breezy day. I have my windows open. You can see the paper, the pencil, this really light frisbee right here. It's all just staying put. And it was really good when we were using the RV because my kids would put items on there and they wouldn't fall all over the place with every single little bump. We even used this when we did family puzzle time. We really appreciate it because the pieces stayed where they were put. We had a whole bunch of us around there and we did not lose a puzzle piece thanks to this awesome board. We are so happy with it. I highly recommend this product, but that's just my point of view.